Yo, man, the time is here, bruh. It is finally here, bruh. One of my most anticipated grails for a very, very long time, bro. I'm super excited to have these in today. You guys already seen the thumbnail and title. You know exactly what's inside the box, bro. We got some heat. Let's build that anticipation up. Let's hop right into the video, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. As you guys can see by my smile, my excitement, my demeanor, we got some heat in, a much anticipated cop. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe right now, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. Likes go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, and that makes your boy motivated to keep picking up these grails, bruh. This is a grail, like one of the all-time grails on a lot of people's list, and I'm just so excited. And I can't wait to get inside of here. So without further ado, man, let's jump right into this unboxing over this heat, bro. Long anticipated cop, long overdue cop, and this a long overdue drop from Nike, man. All right, man, so let's go ahead and get into it, bro. We got the easy box to open. We don't need no knife, no box cutter. We gonna get right into it, bro. We get right into it, man. Your boy is excited, yes, sir. Let's go, man. I'm excited, bruh. Y'all get excited with me by smack the like button, drop some fire emojis, because we got some heat inside today's box. And as y'all guys can read by the box right there, bruh. Y'all see we got them Air Jordan 12s on deck, bruh. Nike with the fast shipping. On Twitter today, I did tweet, man, ain't nobody get tracking on the Air Jordan 12 cherries. But I did hit up the homie and he said to check, you know what I'm saying? And literally they were shipping the same day, which is today, which is crazy. I was like, man, I did not expect that. Thank you, Nike, for the super fast shipping. And yeah, bro. Let's go, man. This is something new with the box. So engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletes from around the world. Check out the box right there, man. They went crazy with this one. Just do it. Nike swoosh up top and official colorway. Size tag reads Air Jordan 12 Retro White, Black, and varsity red. And we got these guys in the size 9, of course, bruh. Let's get into it, bro. Let's get into it, man. Let's get into it, bro. Peel open the box and let's peel the tissue paper open. In 3, 2, 1, and hey, bro, they just hussed me, bro. I literally thought that we would get the sneaker, so we gotta peel another tissue paper back just to show to you guys, man. And 3, bro, they got so much tissue paper. What's going on, man? I want to see the sneaker. Come on, Jordan Brand. All right, here we go. This should be the final one, the final countdown. So let's go ahead and flip them open in 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them out. We have them. The Air Jordan 12 cherry things, man. Yo, we're gonna have rip both of them out of the box, bruh. I can't do too much talking because I can't believe we have them in, bruh. A long overdue pickup, man. Y'all see them, bruh. They are so beautiful, man. It's not even much to say. Like, the sneaker literally speaks for themselves, man. They literally speak for themselves. I am loving these cherries, bruh. Like, I can't wipe the smile off my face, man. We got the cherries on deck. Hit on this shock drop a couple of days ago. You guys let me know right now down below in the comment section if you did hit on the shock drop. I did a video letting you guys know about it. So that's why I always tell y'all, man, if you ain't subscribed, man, subscribe and hit the notification bell. So when I drop videos like that, you guys are hip on what's going on as far as shock drops, restocks, exclusive access, and all that good stuff, bro. So we got them, man. We got them things. I love them. Like I said, these will be releasing the 28th of October, if I'm not mistaken. One of the top grails this list, one of the most anticipated releases of 2023. They saved it for the perfect timing, man. Around that Halloween time frame, Black Friday time frame, Christmas time frame, so people can get that gift that they always been wanting, bruh. And it happened to be the cherry Air Jordan 12s. Now, I know y'all don't mind me just talking and showing y'all the sneakers. I'm gonna be sure to hit y'all with some B-roll of the sneaker, because these things right here, they just built tough, bro. These things is hard, man. Like, I'm telling you, I remember growing up seeing the cherries and saying I really wanted the sneaker. They didn't drop all the way until I'm about to be 30 in a couple of years, you feel me? And they finally brought them out. That's from high school through college. Like I've been wanting these cherries, and they finally brought them out 2023. Perfect timing. They also gave us another grail, the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cements. And I'm really loving what Jordan Man is doing, especially when they give us OGs, crazy colorways, much anticipated colorways and grails like the Cherry 12s, bro. Just look at them, man. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a bunch of 360 looks at these, because I know y'all loving them. I know y'all can't wait to add these things to the collection. And these are easily, bro, a double up. I might even triple up on these things, and I ain't trying to overhype them. I just want to, you know what I'm saying, get my point across how much I love and how much I always wanted the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. Y'all can go ahead and judge me down below. I don't care. I really do not care. I could not wait to get these. I'm over here bugging people about the tracking on these things. I'm hoping Nike didn't cancel, you know what I'm saying, my order, but they didn't, and we have them, bro. 2-3 going down the tongue. You guys already know Jordan on the back of the heel, inspired by the greatest player ever, 2-3. All that good smashy jazzy, but you know what? We're gonna do a full review, a full breakdown on feet, showing you how to rock them, what pants to rock, how to lace these things. All that here with the next couple of days, because these deserve a full dedicated video of me, you know what I'm saying, give you guys a breakdown of them, bro. Like, look at them, man. They built these things perfect, bro. Probably, man, I know I said the Reimagined 3s was my #1 pickup, bro. Take a look at these, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. These might be #1. That's how excited I am about having these things, bro. Like, look at them, man. Look at these beauties, bro. You cannot go wrong with an Air Jordan 12 Cherry. And we've been waiting for these for a very long time, man. Whew. Your boy just busted a little sweat, man, how much I just talked about these, bro. I just am excited. I know if you have them in hand right now, you guys are excited as well. So if you do have them, you hit on the shock drop, you had to buy them early on GOAT, StockX, wherever you did buy them from. Let us know down below in the comment section. Are you doubling up? Are you tripling up? Because, man, I honestly might get like 3 pairs. And I told y'all I wasn't going to do that no more. But I know I'm about to get a lot of wears at these. They dropped the perfect time of the year, fall, winter time frame. And the fits are going to go crazy with the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. Y'all hold me to it. Just wait. If you ain't following me over on IG yet, man, make sure you guys go follow me right now down below in the description box, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Quick unboxing, quick first look of the Air Jordan 12 Cherries, bruh. 2023 style edition. And I'm thinking that they made these as true as to the first pair that dropped back in the day. Not too sure, but the leathers, tumble, all that. We gotta talk about it in the full review and on feet. So like again, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for tapping in. Go crazy down below in the comment section. Let's get us up to 500 likes. And I'm gonna drop that Air Jordan 12 Cherry on feet sooner than expected, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank y'all for tapping in again. Make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. And all that being said, man, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you in next video. I might just sit here and look at these clean Air Jordan 12 Cherries, man. Peace.